The Ozarks Team at Century 21 LeMac Realty wishes all our friends in the Twin Lakes area Merry Christmas! That's my ticket.
It is. I took $3 off per basket on the big ones and $1 off on your small because you ordered so many.
Wait a minute. Thank you.
Hey Heather, where are you going?
We're going to deliver fruit baskets.
How many baskets do you have?
A lot. Hey! John's Grinches.
You know,
Merry Christmas!
this is
Merry Christmas!
Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Ho ho ho. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
players get ready.
Here we go. Delivering another basket. Sorry. Spreading Christmas cheer.
Right there. Ho ho ho.
That's so cute. Merry Christmas. Put his hands. Merry Christmas. That's on video.
Ho ho ho.
Thank you.
You guys staying busy today?
Oh yes, definitely.
Yes, well now you can have some nutrition.
Ho ho ho.
Merry Christmas.
Jingle all the way. Good deal. She's gonna want to.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Thank you for all your time. Thank you. Appreciate you too.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Hey guys.
Hey Ben.
Hey.
How are you? Merry Christmas to y'all. Look at y'all. What a great day. You did all right, Heather. Good to see you.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks. Thank you so much. Well, I appreciate that.
Strangers bearing gifts.
Merry Christmas.
Well, somebody gave it to me. We fixed her up.
Yes, you did. Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
And then you've got John over there recording.
Yes, I'm recording and I'm also decorated.
Oh,
They decorated me.
Price of them.
Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, did it fall again? Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Something healthy. How are you?
Merry Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the Ozarks Team at Century 21 LeMac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.